Namaste, viewers. It's Monday morning, February 10, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker, or Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's Business News, where we provide you the latest and updated 5-minute stock market wrap. But before we roll on, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. And now, let's roll. Indian equity markets remained largely indifferent to the Reserve Bank of India's RBI rate cut, with both the Sensex and Nifty closing lower for the third consecutive session. This muted reaction can be attributed to the lack of clear policy direction from the central bank. Benchmark equity indices BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty 50 witnessed downward pressure on Friday after the Reserve Bank of India governor on expected lines announced a 25 basis points rate cut. The central banker, however, left the policy stance unchanged. The RBI appointed Monetary Policy Committee decided to lower the repo rate by 25 basis points to 6.25% from the present 6.5%. The RBI MPC has also unanimously decided to maintain its neutral stance and remain unambiguously focused on a durable alignment of inflation with the target while supporting growth, said RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra. At the close of trading, the benchmark Sensex declined by 0.25%, shedding 197 points to settle at 77,860, while the Nifty slipped 0.18%, down 43 points to 23,559. On the downside, ONGC, ITC, SBI, Adani Ports, and Britannia were among the biggest losers on the Nifty 50. Meanwhile, Tata Steel, Bharti Airtel, Trent, JSW Steel, and Hindalco led the gainers. In the broader market, the mid-cap indices managed to end the day with marginal gains, while the small cap registered mild losses. India VIX, the volatility index, dropped 4%. The Nifty Metal Index jumped 2.5%, fueled by optimism over increased infrastructure and real estate activity. A lower repo rate is expected to boost infrastructure and housing demand, both of which are heavily reliant on metals. This optimism sent metal stocks soaring, with JSW Steel, Tata Steel, Jindal Steel, and Welspun Corporation climbing 3 to 7%. In individual stock moves, Bharti Airtel surged 4% after reporting a strong quarterly profit driven by a one-time gain and tariff hikes. Conversely, Bikaji Foods tumbled 10% after its Q3 results revealed a steep 40% drop in net profit to rupees 27.77 crores. Sonata Software slumped 11% after missing margin expectations despite beating revenue estimates. Ola Electric stock fell over 4% after reporting a net loss of rupees 564 crores in Q3, widening from 376 rupees crore in the same period last year. In the US overnight, stocks fell on Friday after a mixed jobs report showed the economy added fewer jobs in January, slightly lower than forecast. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 444 points to 44,303. The S&P 500 lost 0.95% to 6,025, and the Nasdaq Composite lost 268 points or 1.36%, 19,523. Brent crude is $74.66 a barrel. Gold is rupees 85,020 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 95,650 per kilogram. Today's outlook for the Indian market. From a technical standpoint, the 23,450 to 23,500 zone is expected to act as strong support for the Nifty 50. As long as Nifty trades above this, there's a good chance of an eventual breakout on the upside. Resistance is around 23,720 to 23,800. Stocks to watch today: LIC, Brainbees, Oil India, NHPC, Vedanta, Bharat Electronics, Cipla, and Borosil will be in focus on Monday, 10th February 2025. That's it for today. I will see you again tomorrow morning. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.